Namaskar friends, this is NJ, your host on this channel. In this video, we will have our discussion on the upcoming retrograde motion of the planet Jupiter. So guys, Jupiter, which is currently transiting in the Taurus sign, on October 9th, it will start its retrograde motion within the Taurus sign from the 27 degrees, which is the region of the Mrigashira Nakshatra, and it will complete its retrograde motion in the 17 degrees of the Taurus, which will be the region of the Rohini Nakshatra within the Taurus. So definitely guys, Jupiter is not going to be changing signs, but its retrograde motion will definitely have a lot of the gifts for lot many rising signs. So guys, before we will get into the customized results of this upcoming event, let's first try to understand that how we can look at this retrograde motion. So guys, to begin with, definitely if you follow Vedic astrology, or even if you are here in my channel, I'm very much sure that Jupiter must be a prominent planet in your life, governing in your life. That is the only reason, rather than watching any other entertainment and gossiping thing, you are watching right now this kind of spiritual knowledge. Second thing is that definitely guys, when we talk about the importance of Jupiter, Jupiter has got Jupiter is a significator of lot many houses in our natal chart. Along with that, Jupiter is the significator of children, of wealth, of finances, goodness, what kind of guidance we get. So because of which, Jupiter definitely becomes very important for all of us. Now guys, when we talk about the retrograde motion, look at it in this way, that it definitely adds a value of quirkiness, sudden whims, unusuality in the energy of the functioning of that planet. Let me be very clear with you, when we talk about a planet being combust, that planet can still be seen as that this planet is going to be little bit out of the energy, or it might have you need to do certain remedies to empower the energy or the signification of that planet. But when we talk about retrograde, a retrograde planet appears to be closer to the earth. It also adds and gives more cheshta bal to it, and along with that, like the way I mentioned, they are like some sort of unfulfilled promise which planet in its retrograde motion is going to be hard bent on bringing in your life. When I say this thing, that unusuality or eccentricity, definitely guys, let's say for example, if in your case Jupiter is your ascendant lord, Jupiter is your ninth lord, so that is the only reason when we talk about people who take interest in different faith, cross culture, or why we say this thing, that when it comes down to decoding your matrimonial life, why we give attention to the D9 chart. There could be the 7th division of that Rashi chart which could have been done, but we see the D7 chart for the concerns of the children, but we see D9 chart for the concerns of the marriage, not only the luck prospect and the faith prospect, but the marriage as well, because it's only your faith and conviction which makes you stick to your partner even in the face of adversity, even in the face of the health crisis and all. You might be a very intelligent and wise person in your line of work. You know how to pick the best business deal which is going to benefit you. But when it comes down to the relationship where you are committed, you do not put your brain into there, because this is something where your faith kind of compels you to abide by that. That is the only reason. But definitely when we talk about any important planets being retrograde, it somehow add some sort of unusuality, quirk, or whims attached to them. But definitely guys, in this video here, we will be talking more from the point of view of the Jupiter. So one thing I can assure you, that whatsoever has been predicted so far, whenever Jupiter would have moved to the Taurus, like the way Taurus is a Eartha sign, Taurus which is a fixed sign, Taurus also gives a lot of concern and weightage to the commitment, to the conviction, to the virtues, to the finances, family values. So Jupiter, which is a planet of benevolence, which is a planet of the expansion, so you would have been hearing this thing, that whatsoever rising sign you have, wheresoever Jupiter is entering the Taurus bases your rising sign Lagan in your chart, it will definitely enhance the good fortune, financial opportunities, values, family camaraderie in the matters of that house. But let's say for example, this could be a case that your dashas was not supporting you in the past couple of months, or this could be a case that you by yourself were not putting much efforts. So I can say this thing that now you will get a second chance to encash on this once Jupiter is going to turn retrograde. Like the way guys, I gave my this example as well. Whatsoever days like the important planets, like because right now I am in the Saturn Mahadasha and Saturn Sade Sati as well. Saturn is an important planet of my house of profession and all, and I guess I have shared that anecdote with you guys. Like the way ever since I came to India on a vacation, doing podcast, now it hardly matters whether I will be on the guest side or the host side, but I actually wanted to experience that thing, but it did not happen. The day when Saturn turned retrograde, out of nowhere I got invited for one podcast. I got in touch with the studio people and I started doing my own podcast. So that was kind of like a promise which was not getting fulfilled. The day Saturn turned retrograde, it ensured that it will initiate that cycle. So that is what I'm trying to tell you over here, is that once Jupiter is going to turn retrograde in the Taurus sign, all those financial gift, opportunities, family camaraderie, values which you need to gain or stick to, all these are going to be the theme which you will experience. So yes guys, that was few of the basic info which I wanted to share. Now definitely if you will get deeper into it, you need a very good software to decode, like whether it's a case that even if in your natal chart you have a retrograde planet, so it is like, is it Atichari, is it like Stambhi, stationary, so all of that definitely has got a lot of importance attached to it. Like the way, for example, a lot many times people say this thing that for example, if your Venus is like retrograde, your Saturn is retrograde, Jupiter is retrograde, so a lot many times the promise which that planet meant to deliver to you, it keeps on holding up till the last minute, but when it delivers you, it's like a cloud burst. Suddenly you get the result because all of those promises, it was holding up within it. So definitely all of that will kind of give rise to other discussion which we can have some other time, but in this video we will be focusing more on this retrograde motion of the planet Jupiter and how it is going to be influencing you. And yes guys, before we will move further, you know this thing that I have started this podcast channel as well. Lot of investments which are going into it, so please share it, subscribe it. It will definitely help me as well in my this initiative, because I am looking forward to inviting lot many people with higher spiritual elevated state. I'm going back to Vancouver. US is also very like close from there, so I'm even open and willing to travel as well. But definitely all of that is going to require a lot of the investments, and I need to see the growth. That only is going to motivate me. So please follow that if you have not. And now we will shift our discussion to the customized results for all the rising signs. So guys, starting with the Aries Lagna natives, definitely guys, in your case, Jupiter is a very important planet for you beyond doubt. It has got a rulership over your 9th house of luck and 12th house. In a way, Jupiter somehow also has a say that how your foreign experiences, your travels, what kind of wisdom, guidance and the kind of psychic awareness you have, all of that is being governed by the planet Jupiter. And now it is going to be turning retrograde in your 2nd house. So guys, one thing is for sure, that all those kind of travels which have been long awaited, any of the concerns of immigration which have been long awaited, any of those financial gifts, investments, funding, sponsorship which have been long awaited, impending, you will definitely get or see the progress in all these areas. Guys, understand this thing, in your case, this placement of Jupiter is very unique and very important for you, because from over here it is looking at all the houses, like which could actually facilitate winning over lawsuit, which can facilitate success in your line of work, some sort of position and all, because from over here Jupiter is giving its aspect to your 6th house, to your 8th house, to your 10th house. And if I were to say, even your 10th lord is right now in a dignified state. So like the way we say in the sports, this is not a time for you to be on a back foot. This is the time for you to be on the front foot and take the chance, take the risk, because the way planets are influencing you. Now again guys, with that said, I do not know the kind of yogas you have in your chart, what kind of dashas you are currently going through, but one thing I can assure you, that any of those unfulfilled promises which you have been long waiting for, working hard for, will be delivered in this retrograde motion of the planet Jupiter. So my recommendation to the Aries Lagna native is that the best which you can do is that refrain from any unethical actions in the matters of the financial dealing, because the planet of justice, Saturn, is there in your 11th house. The planet of honesty, integrity, righteousness, Jupiter, is there in your 2nd house. Only if you will be sticking by the truth, hard work, honesty, trust me, planets are ready and willing and in a state and position to open lot many financial doors for you. Now guys, when we talk about the Taurus Lagna natives, definitely guys, in your case, although Jupiter is not a very beneficial planet for you, but its transit over the 1st house is a blessing in disguise. So many of the ill afflictions which the mere presence of Jupiter in the 1st house or its aspect in the 1st house removes from our life. So now guys, from over here, because as you can see that Jupiter is going to be turning retrograde, so and it has got a rulership over your 8th house and the 11th house. So guys, one thing is for sure, because Jupiter somehow has been attached with the honesty, with the success, with the knowledge, with all aspect which gives us prosperity and happiness even in our family life, because Jupiter with this presence and this retrograde motion as well, it is still giving its aspect to your 5th house of progeny, of your academics, 7th house of marriage, 9th house of any travel, higher learning, any of the immigration related concerns and all. So I can assure you that if all these things have been long awaited, you will get a response during this duration. Second thing is that definitely guys, if you have been awaiting for any job promotion or something during this time, all those development will take place and it will happen in a very sudden, in a very unpredictable way. And like the way guys, we always say this thing, that the big opportunities, like the way all the like air houses are somehow connected with the opportunities and connection and the resourcefulness, but somehow 11th house is the highest of the upachya bhav, highest of the kama bhava and all. So because of which any of those big opportunities, because guys very soon Rahu is also going to be leaving your 11th house as well. So I can assure you that any of those opportunities which this dual influence of Rahu and Jupiter, like Rahu in your 11th house, because Rahu is soon also going to be leaving your 11th house as well in a couple of months only. So I can assure you that any of those big opportunities, recognition which has been long awaited, you will definitely see growth over there. And along with that guys, I can assure you this thing, that any of those financial opportunities, or I would say that specifically all those things which can actually enhance our reputation in the society. Now the parameters of that is different for different people. For some people it might be just because of you released some book and from the past couple of months response was not that good, but certainly some important celebrity tweeted something about your work. Now everyone is like reaching out to you. So that sort of opportunities, good health, family expansion and answers to all these, in all these areas which have been long hidden or awaited, you will definitely experience in this retrograde motion of the planet Jupiter. Now guys, when we talk about for the Gemini natives, definitely guys, in your case Jupiter is going to be turning retrograde in your like 12th house. So guys, one thing is for sure, that when we talk about anything to do with the spirituality, with the higher knowledge and all, in all these areas you will definitely find the answers. Second thing is that, let's say for example, if from the past couple of months, ever since Jupiter has moved to your 12th house, you have been experiencing a lot of the like expenses which have been beyond your control. So during this time you will also get an answer to that, okay, why those things were happening in my life. Was it something like some pending karma or some pending things which was meant to be snatched or taken away from me? So during this time you will definitely get an answer to all of that. Along with that guys, let's say for example, because the way I've been saying this thing, that Jupiter's presence in the Taurus has got more to do with the finances, financial promise and all, and because in your case it has got a rulership over your house of commercial dealings, house of your profession, your public image and all. So I can assure you this thing, that if any of your career related opportunity which is connected with the overseas, with the foreign land, and regarding where you have been seeing a very slow movement, very slow progress. So during this time you will definitely see that suddenly things are turning around, that too in your favor. So for something to do with the overseas opportunity, overseas experiences and all, this retrograde motion of the planet Jupiter in your 12th house can be seen as a very good news. So guys, overall I only have good things to say for the Gemini Lagna natives. One thing is for sure, that doing yoga, doing japa, doing meditation during this time will be very important. And this is a typical combination, you know, when we say this thing that the Ishta Devata or Guru came in your dreams, like prophetic dreams, vision and all of that. So my recommendation is that stay very consciously aware of all the hunches, intuition, gut feel, the things you are seeing in the dream, any pattern which you are seeing. So be very watchful of that. And any charities donation during this time will definitely enhance the prospect of your luck. Now guys, and definitely guys, from over here Jupiter is going to be giving its aspect to, like, it is actually looking at all the houses where it can definitely help you cleanse. I will not say this thing that the aspect of the Jupiter is going to be like very fruitful for the growth point of view. Again guys, you have to be very clear over here that unless and until your income and your field and your profile is not connected with the 12th house. 12th house has got more to do with taking things away from us. But again, this is also the house which cleanses us, like all those kind of things which purify us. So I would say this thing that yes, if you want any clarity, any settlement in any court cases, in any family dispute related matters, over there you will definitely find a clarity coming to you. Now guys, when we talk about the Cancer natives, definitely guys, in your case Jupiter becomes a very important planet, and now it is going to be turning retrograde in your 11th house. So guys, one thing is for sure that this is going to be a time period when you will definitely experience that all those kind of opportunities which you have been working hard, they keep on developing, and at the last minute something or other thing happens. So during this time you will definitely find a clarity over there. Again guys, because even the nakshatra over which Jupiter is going to be transiting, like for example from Mrigashira, which is ruled by Mars, which is your Yogakaraka planet, and the Rohini, which is ruled by your ascendant lord. So Jupiter's placement in any way, in any regard, is much more beneficial for you. Like rather I would say that whatsoever has been promised for your rising sign ever since Jupiter has moved to the Taurus, the possibility of the happening of those events will become very potent during this time. And I can assure you that during this time you might also come again in contact and in touch with many of your lost contacts as well. Like this could be a case that, okay, you know, whatever you studied in your graduation days, in your post graduation days, in any certification, now suddenly you are stuck in those situations where you have to again go back to the archives. You have to again you know, kind of go back to all the formulas, all those things which have been taught to you during your formative training time period and all. And again guys, during this time all those people who have actually contributed a lot in your life in terms of the gain of the knowledge, guidance and direction, you will definitely find that suddenly circumstances are getting aligned in a way that either the presence of those people, the contribution of those people, or those people in body are again coming back to your life. So this kind of theme will repeat. So yes guys, for the any of those financial opportunities, promises over where you have been seeing a lag or a delay, you will definitely find things to be rapidly progressing now. Along with that guys, definitely Jupiter is going to be giving its aspect to your 3rd house, to your 5th house, to your 7th house as well. So a very good transit of the planet Jupiter in its retrograde motion, where you will definitely find good thoughts, more connection building, more support, more resourcefulness. And definitely guys, even in the matters of the business or commercial concern, it is going to be a very good time. Like this is one such kind of transit where people go in a expansion spree. I've seen that many times, like just because there have been a lot of the file work, documentation and kind of support which have been lacking, and suddenly all the blockage got removed from all the front. So yes guys, all what I can recommend to the Cancer Lagna native is that keep your social life active and work on all the fronts. Do not underestimate anything, and the more you can socialize, the more you will be connecting dots for you. And yes, whether you are like trying to conceive a child, or whether you have to give any competitive exam during this time, you are a freelance self-employed person, you are looking to get married and all, so during this time planets are definitely gonna help you because of the transition which Jupiter will go through in the next couple of months. Now guys, when we talk about the Leo Lagna natives, so definitely guys, in your case, as you can see this thing that Jupiter has got a rulership over your 5th house as well. It is a very important planet, and now it is going to be turning retrograde in your 10th house, which can be seen as a very good news. So guys, like the way I've been saying this thing that the retrograde motion of a planet somehow add a degree and sense of whims, eccentricity to the functioning of its energies. But the good thing is that the retrograde planet also somehow holds this potential to give answer to any of those unfulfilled promises as well. So just because ever since Jupiter would have moved to your 10th house, lot many astrologers would have predicted that okay, for the Leo Lagna natives, it is going to be a time of the new lucrative financial dealings, opportunities, you will get stabilized in your line of work, or let's say for example, lot many people could be considered that they are going to be getting rewarded for their academic intellectual contribution and all. So all of that which has been predicted so far ever since Jupiter would have entered in the 10th house, the actual promise of that will get fructified during the retrograde motion of the planet Jupiter. Along with that guys, definitely because in your case Jupiter has got a rulership over your 5th house as well. So let's say for example, if right now you are in a important stage in your academic years, you are an artist, you are a creative person, let's say for example your movie or your creative work has been going through a lot of the setbacks or obstacles, or just because of the some sort of non-payment of things and all, it has been getting into an impasse or a deadlock situation from the past couple of months. So during this time you will definitely see that suddenly things are getting released. So yes guys, in your line of work, lot many things, lot many opportunities will come to you, and these opportunities are definitely financial in nature. So for more opportunities, more visibility, establishing a strong connection with your bosses and all, regarding all that front, I'm not seeing the Leo Lagna natives vulnerable, and nothing would be better than that. Let's say for example, if you are connected in the fields of finance, something to do with the advisory, running tutorials, coaching, or teaching and all, so those people will definitely get benefited, or like rather I would say that the promise which you have in your chart, the promise of this transit of the Jupiter, which again will only happen after so many years. Now that is a different case that Jupiter is moving very fast now, but just because if I were to say a hypothetical case that whatsoever promise which has been meant for you, which can only happen next in 12 years, so the result of that, the answers to all of that will come to you in your career front. This is going to be time of too much of the retrospection, claiming your lost opportunity, getting in touch with all those people who have contributed, and that deserved recognition, promotion will come to you in this retrograde motion of the planet Jupiter. Along with that guys, just because Jupiter is transiting in the original Kalpurush sign, which in itself represents finances, it is looking at your 2nd house of finances and the 6th house as well. So overall guys, I can assure you, in terms of the lucrative financial remuneration, opportunities, platform, launchpad, it is going to be a very good time for the Leo Lagna natives. Now guys, when we talk about the Virgo natives, definitely guys, in your case Jupiter is going to be turning retrograde in your 9th house. Now guys, Jupiter is not a very important planet for you, but just because the house where it is going to be turning retrograde is very important. So I would say this thing that during this time, if you have been facing any setback, any obstacle in the matters of the visa, in the matters of the immigration, like the way guys, like just because I'm a Canadian citizen and I've been hearing a lot about the Canadian government cutting off on the work permit, PR, lot many students like situation is under a lot of the jeopardy and all, lot of the difficult times they are forcing. But again guys, over here only the individual chart somehow comes in the picture, individual Lagna comes into picture. So let's say for example, if your running dashas are favorable and this is what your Lagna is, you might be able to come up with some sort of idea or some sort of breakthrough or some sort of help. Like a lot many people I've seen, like during these situation only they get married, to a citizen and things get work out for you, like all those people in whose case they were not able to get a scholarship, and suddenly a scholarship happened and they got enrolled in any foreign university and all. So understand this thing, guys, that when we talk about the retrograde planets, so you cannot compare Jupiter in the same league and category the way you compare Saturn. There is a difference. With the retrograde motion of the Saturn, it has got more to do with the punishment and the pending karma. The karma term is more suited for the Saturn. But when we talk about Jupiter, Jupiter is a very benevolent planet. Either it has good things to give to you or good teachings and wisdom to shower to you, but Jupiter is not gonna punish you. So one thing is for sure, that all of those kind of prospects where you have been working hard, specifically connected to the matters of the ninth house, this could be immigration, this could be any higher studies, this could be travels and all. In all these areas you will definitely find a clarity. Nothing could be better than that. If you are professionally connected with the ninth house and the Jupiter connected field as well, you are a preacher, you are a priest, you are a katha vachak, or you have a immigration business, import export business, or you are a teacher, you are a trainer. So very beneficial time for all these professionals. Along with that, guys, just because Jupiter is going to be giving its aspect to your ascendant, to your fifth house as well, so definitely it is going to be time of the enhancement of your prestige, of your recognition, and more knowledge which will get added to you. So overall, guys, I'm only seeing the good things for the Virgo Lagna natives. Now guys, when we talk about the Libra natives, definitely guys, in your case, so definitely guys, in your case, Jupiter is going to be turning retrograde in your 8th house. So definitely guys, although Jupiter is not a very favorable planet for you, but the house and the zodiac sign where it is turning retrograde, it still has the possibility of generating some sort of financial lucrative results for you, which have been long impending in your case. The kind of promise which you carry in your life during this time, Jupiter can suddenly create all those kind of opportunities. Like the way, guys, lot many people, these are among those kind of typical transit when people stand a chance to win any lottery, or any, like you are a creator, you are an artist, you have been living on some sort of royalties and all, and you did not even realize that from the past couple of years, like your publisher, your agent was kind of sponging over you. There was that sort of legitimate share which was being hidden from you, or some sort of inheritance and all. So this is how Jupiter in the Taurus in your 8th house hold this capacity to generate sudden results. Along with that, guys, we all know this thing, that because Taurus is the original Kal Purush Kundli 2nd house energy, which also tells about our integrity, about our family, about our values as well. So during this time, lot many people also get to know about some sort of secrets, the family secrets, which have been hidden from them from the past so many years. But guys, again, I will be very honest with you. Let's say for example, this retrograde motion is going to be very beneficial for those people who are engaged in any scientific research. They are connected with spirituality, occult, something to do with insurance, revenue. So those people can suddenly get benefited during this retrograde motion of the planet Jupiter. But yes, guys, over and above that, let's say for example, if you are a kind of person, your natal moon is in the influence of Rahu, all the negative entities and the energies in the society only attracts you. So then this is also a time of being misled, being scattered all around. You are not very aware, and in lot many cases, because Taurus is the original Kalpurush Kundli, also tells about our income as well. So lot many people also becomes too competitive, that they also start compromising on the values just for the quick financial gain and all. So if I were to say, as much as it is strong for the sudden financial gains and income point of view, it is equally sensitive to protect your dignity, your kind of values and all. That is all what I can say. And yes guys, from over here, Jupiter is going to be giving its aspect to your 12th house as well, to your second house as well, and to your fourth house as well. So yes guys, one thing is for sure, that for something to do with like anything where we talk about the family inheritance or some sort of your share which has been impending or hidden from you, so getting answers over there. Along with that guys, retrograde Jupiter and its aspect to the 12th house and the 4th house being placed in the 8th house, so this also create those kind of energy that, let's say for example, if you have been kind of in your home for such a long span of time, so people generally and suddenly plan some vacation, or let's say for example you have been living overseas for a long span of time. During this time only people go and come back to their ancestral native place, come back to their roots and all, experience those kind of things and all. So this is how we can see this retrograde motion of the planet Jupiter. Now guys, when we talk about the Scorpions, definitely guys, in your case, as you can see that Jupiter is going to be turning retrograde in your 7th house. So guys, one thing is for sure that whatsoever have been promised so far ever since Jupiter has transited to your 7th house, this could be more commercial opportunities, this could be you getting married and all, so all that promises can get fructified, can get fulfilled during this time when Jupiter is going to be turning retrograde in your 7th house. Again guys, if Jupiter is retrograde, it is retrograde in the Mrigashira Nakshatra, which is being ruled by your ascendant lord only. Then it is going to be entering the Rohini Nakshatra, ruled by moon, which is your 9th lord as well. So one thing is for sure that this retrograde motion and added power to the Cheshta Bal of the planet Jupiter in your 7th house has only got good things in store for you. Now when I say the good things, these packaged good things can also function or happen in the form of finding your partner, or reconciling any of the ongoing issues with your partners or with your husband or your wife and all. So this is how energies are going to be getting manifested pertaining to the matters of your 7th house. And yes guys, because from over here Jupiter is going to be aspecting your 11th house, your ascendant and your 3rd house as well. So for making more stronger connections, like gaining lot of wisdom in your daily interaction, the kind of people you come in contact with. So from all aspect and avenue, this retrograde motion of the planet Jupiter is going to be working out in your favor only. Now guys, when we talk about the Sagittarius rising natives, definitely guys, in your case, Jupiter is going to be turning retrograde in your 6th house. So guys, one thing is for sure that when we talk about the typical attribute of the 6th house, which has got more to do with your health, with the concern of the debts, and which has also got to do with the enemies as well. But just because guys, Jupiter is kind of a divine purifier or the cleanser, that whatsoever house it transits, it somehow improves and make things very it's a Jivkaraka, make things very livable for us. Again guys, understand this thing that we definitely know that Jupiter in the trine houses, even in the second house, can manifest good results, but when we talk about the 6th house, even if it is cannot going to be creating more financial opportunities for you, but it can help you deal with any of the challenges and struggles which you might be going through pertaining to the matters of that house. So one thing is for sure guys, that let's say for example, if in your daily line of work you have been like chasing any sort of promotion or something, or you are in a health or fitness industry, you have been eyeing for some sort of loan from the government, any sponsorship, any funding and something. So this retrograde motion of the planet Jupiter will definitely ensure to fulfill all those promises. Again guys, understand this thing, ever since Jupiter being your ascendant lord has transited to the 6th house, you would have seen this pattern in my videos that I was not very fond of this kind of placement, because I've seen there have been people around me with the Sagittarius Lagna, Jupiter in the 6th house. I've seen those people going through a lot of the financial difficulties and all. So that is the only reason I somehow remain biased towards it. But over here guys, just because the way planets are functioning right now, Saturn in the Mool Trikona sign in your third house, and very soon Rahu is also going to be entering over here. So now things seems to be improving for you, but again a lot is dependent on, if I were to say, this is not a very good transit to put your own money, like, but let's say for example, if you find some investor who can put his money, invest in your dream, in your aspiration, it might be beneficial transit for you. Or if you are connected with the health fitness industry, you are a lawyer, or you have been waiting for any verdict in your favor for which you are a deserving person. So I would say that in all these areas, and this is how you will experience the clarity pertaining to the matters of your sixth house. And yes guys, from over here, Jupiter is going to be giving its aspect to your 10th house of your career, second house of the more financial gains and opportunities. So overall, if I were to say, this retrograde motion of the planet Jupiter will definitely help you reconcile or solve any of the issues on the account of enemies, any of the ongoing health related crisis, or any of the debt or loan related concern. Now guys, when we talk about the Capricorn natives, so definitely guys, in your case, Jupiter has got a rulership over your third house and the 12th house, and now it is going to be turning retrograde in your fifth house. So guys, one thing is for sure that we know this thing, that fifth house, which is the house of the Purva Punya, past life merits, our intellect is also seen from this house, our creativity is seen from this house, child progeny is also seen from this house. So definitely guys, Jupiter turning retrograde only has good things in store for you. All those promises which has been there in your chart, all those promises which have been prophesized or predicted so far, ever since Jupiter has entered in your fifth house, the result of that, the nectar of that, you will experience in these couple of months, like from 9th October till 4th February, when Jupiter is going to be turning retrograde. So let's say for example, if you have been facing any hurdles in the matters of your academics, this is going to be the time of clarity, getting committed to your partner, like you have been dating someone, but when it comes down to labeling that relation, you guys are going back and forth. So during this time, you will have the conviction to commit to your person you are in relationship with, some sort of speculative financial gains as well, overseas opportunities as well. So yes guys, like fifth house is one of the important trine house, and when we talk about aspects of spirituality, creativity, creating something, getting that launch pad, our personal magnetism and all, concerns of childbirth and all, so in all these areas, all that which has there in your life, in your chart as a promise, you will definitely find it getting fructified during this time when Jupiter is going to be turning retrograde in your fifth house. And again guys, like the way I've been mentioned this thing, the way because all the transiting planets somehow have to bow to the fulfill and will of the Lagnesh, of the ascendant lord. Your ascendant lord being in the second house is also promising some sort of important financial decision, lifetime investments and all. So Jupiter's retrograde motion, all of that which you have been working hard towards, you're not able to find that sort of pace during this time, you will definitely experience that because of Jupiter turning retrograde. Now guys, from over here, now we will move to the Aquarius rising natives. So definitely guys, in your case, definitely Jupiter is not a very important planet for you, but just because in the transit it is going to be turning retrograde in your fourth house. And we all know this thing guys, that when we talk about the kind of role which Mercury plays for the Leo natives, the kind of a financial treasurer and accountant and manager it could be, same is the kind of role which Jupiter plays for your rising sign. I do not know and I do not care whether if your astrologer say this thing that okay, you cannot wear a Jupiter stone and all the Jupiterian things are not very favorable for you, because Jupiter has got the rulership over the not very favorable houses. But when we talk about in this Kali Yuga, Jupiter in your case becomes very important planet to give you the wealth, to make you rich and wealthy. So the point which I'm trying to say over here is that, and even in the original Kalpurush Kundli, Jupiter attains exaltation in the sign connected with the fourth house. So that means Jupiter turning retrograde in your fourth house has got lot of potential to fulfill all the financial promises connected with the matters of the fourth house. This could be now suddenly you have been able to accumulate the money which you need to buy your own house, to renovate your house, or we can also say this thing in a way that some sort of the auspicious events within the family can work out, can happen during this time when Jupiter is going to be turning retrograde. It's kind of like a promise which you have had in your chart, which in this retrograde motion Jupiter will ensure to deliver. So yes guys, this is how I'm seeing the retrograde motion of the planet Jupiter for the another couple of months. And from over here, Jupiter is also giving its aspect to your 8th house, to your 10th house, to your 12th house. So definitely whatsoever is going to be happening in your domestic life, in your family life, it will definitely give you the encouragement and the push which you need even to manifest things in your professional life as well. Anything to do with the deeper nuances or travels or something, getting into the depth of anything, this is how you are going to be working when Jupiter is going to be turning retrograde in your 4th house. Now guys, when we talk about the Pisces rising natives, definitely guys, it is the retrograde motion of your ascendant lord, so it will definitely have some good things in store for you. Second thing is that guys, I can assure you that before Rahu will leave your first house, it will definitely create a energy in a certain month, in a specific period of time, where you will have this potential to be recognized, to be well known, suddenly going viral, the way we say this thing. So now guys, what is going to be happening over here is that because third house is a very important house which create new opportunities for us, where we take initiative and we make and create a difference in our life. Now guys, many people have been saying this thing that okay, Jupiter in the 3rd house is the Mandakaraka Avastha for it. That can only happen and work if you are only sticking to your values, or you are being very inflexible to mold yourself to the need of the hour. But I'm very much sure that this combination which is taking place right now, with Saturn strengthened in the Mool Trikona sign in the 12th house, Rahu, the planet of discriminatory intelligence and the street smartness, the most opportunistic planet, being there in your first house. So there's a very strong possibility that in this retrograde motion you will not hesitate in order to, even if you have to cut corners, to manifest those opportunities in front of you. Again guys, see, the thing is, I'll tell you what, I'll be very honest with you. The way I have seen astrology is that planets have got everything in store for us, but they are also hard bent as per the divine timings, like our dashas and everything. You would not believe I have been such a ardent follower of astrology and all, and I was going everywhere, like when I just started off my journey in astrology, without even knowing that a very important place to learn all these things in a very structured way, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, was just at an arm's length from my house. But only like when my father retired from the government job, we have to vacate that house, then I realized very close to that time, oh, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan was right in front of me. Same thing happened with YouTube, same thing happened with going to Canada, same thing happened with all that creative thing which I'm doing. So what I'm trying to say over here is that because Jupiter is turning retrograde in your 3rd house, so it has got this potential to create those things which you might not have been paying attention, but it is there. But again guys, everything comes down to that it has to be there in your life as a promise. If it is there in your life, in your chart, in your planets as a promise, Jupiter during this time hold this potential to create those difference, create those opportunities for you. And again guys, your own prowess and courage, your capacity to take initiative will play a key role over there. People around you, this could be your neighbors, this could be your siblings, your friends and all, they might also play a very significant role. And let's say for example, if you are a freelance, self-employed, skilled person, during this time you will definitely see that okay, the kind of talent which I hold, and I was not getting remunerated, or I was not getting paid as per my skill set and talent, but suddenly there is a surge in the demand for you, for your skills, for your contribution. So yes guys, it hardly matters whether you are a sales personnel, media, marketing, or in which field you are operating, this retrograde motion of the planet Jupiter will definitely work out in your favor. You will be in a state to create a difference, create opportunities, and life will definitely give you very supporting people during this time, like the advice and the guidance and the mentorship which you will receive during this time from the people around you, it will definitely create a big difference. It will help you to manifest things for you. And yes guys, from over here Jupiter is going to be, it is giving its aspect to your like 7th house, 9th house, 11th house. So a very good time for people who are on a lookout for like courtship, for finding a partner, or for any of your big aspiration, any of the travel related concern, higher studies related concern, you will definitely find a clarity in all these areas. So yes guys, this is something which I wanted to say as a part of my inputs. For further more updates and notifications on the divine science of Vedic astrology, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Instagram account. Dhanyavad.